Okay, turn your books to page number 27. You will be able to unmute and answer now. Okay. Your grammar book, turn your book to page number 27. Okay, so you all understood the different types of genders: male, female, common, and neuter gender. What are male? Male will come, male genders will be father, mother, uncle. I'm sorry, father, uncle, grandfather, brother, all these and all will come under male. Okay, while female will be mother, grandmother, aunt. Okay, all these will come under female. Yes,
ma'am.
okay, please do not unmute. Just listen. When I ask you a question, that time you can unmute. Okay. Then you have common gender. Common gender are something where you cannot say whether it is a male or a female. And those are generally the professional ones. Okay. Like doctors, lawyers. Okay. All these are all examples of common gender. Your neuter gender will be.
I can't hear,
Self. 1 minute.
ma'am.
Okay, and the neuter gender will be all
Ma'am, I can't hear, ma'am.
Yes, Selvin Christy, you will not be able to hear if you keep unmuting. Okay, the rest of you all are able to hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. If the rest of them are able to hear, then Selvin Christy, kindly check your internet settings. Okay, otherwise log off and log in again. Is that clear? Okay, yes. Thank you, children. Okay, now turn your book to page number 27. Okay, turn your book to page number 27. Know your nouns. Okay, you're just differentiating the noun, whether it is a male or a female or a common noun or a neuter. Okay, now here worksheet 1. Read the sentences given and note the words that are highlighted. Father is mowing the lawn. Second one, grandmother is reading a magazine. Okay, the noun father is in the masculine gender or the male form. Okay, and the word grandmother is in the feminine gender or the female form of nouns. Okay, fun to know and easy to understand. Kindly look into your books. Okay, it is all there in right in front of you. Just follow what I'm reading. Okay. A noun is the masculine gender if it refers to the male. Okay, so like I told you, a noun which refers to a male is called as the masculine gender. Example: son, uncle, king, lion, tiger are some examples of masculine gender. Okay, a noun is in the feminine gender if it refers to the female. Okay, for example, daughter, aunt, lioness, tigress are some of the examples of the feminine gender. A noun is in common gender if it refers to male or a female. Okay, for example, cousin, a cousin can be a boy or a girl. Child, a child can be a boy or a girl. Pupil also, or students. All these and all will come and can either be a boy or a girl. It can either be a male or a female. Okay, are some examples of common gender. Okay, a noun is in the neuter gender when it refers to inanimate objects. Okay, example: chair, book, house, plate are some examples of neuter gender. Just remember, if the object does not have life, okay, or non-living things will come under neuter gender. Okay. Now turn your book to the next page. Turn your book to page number 28. Page number 28, you have Match the following.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, in column A, you have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in column B, you have A to J, right?
Ma'am, I can't hear, ma'am.
The rest of you are able to hear me? Yes, Daksha is able to hear. Kevin is able to hear. Yes, even Kirtana is able to hear. Yes. Selvin Christie, I am not sure of the child's name there. If you're not able to hear, please log off and then log in again. Okay. Now the first one, I will read all the words that are there in column A and then all the words that are there in column B. Okay. And then we will do the matching. Okay. Now first one, column A, you have king, tiger, nephew, wizard, drake, gander, bull, bridegroom, horse, and stag. Okay. And in column B, you have the female nouns over here. Okay. That is cow, doe, goose, bride, queen, mare, witch, tigress, duck, and niece. Okay. So you need to match the male noun with the female noun. The first one is already done for you. First one is king. They have matched it with queen. Okay, king is already matched it with queen. So next to E, write the number 1. Write the number 1 next to E. Okay. Next, second one, tiger. Which would be the female, the female gender of tiger?
Tigress.
Tigress. Very good. That is the head. Okay. Next to H, write 2. Tigress. Okay. Second one is tigress. Next to H, write 2. Third one, nephew.
Knees, ma'am.
Knees. Very good. That is the last one, J. Okay, write down 3 next to J. The female gender of nephew is niece. Okay, that is your sister's daughter. Okay. Next one, wizard. What is a female noun for wizard?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Today my birthday, miss. Ali Bibina.
Happy birthday, Ali Bibina. God bless you. Yes. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Now, tell me, what is the female noun for wizard? Have you watched?
Ma'am.
First one.
What page number, ma'am?
Page number 28. Okay, page number 28, exercise B. Match the following we are doing. We've already finished 3. King will be matched with queen, which is E. Tiger will be matched with tigress, which is H. And the third one, nephew, will be matched with niece, that is J. Okay, next, fourth one, wizard. Okay, wizard is a male. And the female noun for wizard is witch. W-I-T-C-H. Yes, that is G. Okay, next to G, write 4. If you have seen Harry Potter, you will know the wizards and the witches. Okay. Now, next one, drake. What is the female form of drake? Duck. Very good. That is I. Next to I, write 5.
Duck.
Yes. Write 5 next to I. Okay. Next one, gander.
Goose.
Goose. Very good. That is C.
Bull.
Okay. Next to C, write 6. Okay. Next to C, write 6. Okay. Next one, seventh one, bull. Okay, bull. What? Very good. It is cow. Okay, right. Next to A, right? 7. Next to A, right? 7. Next one, bridegroom.
Bride.
Bride. Very good. Bride is D. Yes. Next to D, right? 8. Next to D, right? 8. Okay. Next one, horse.
Mare.
Mare. Very good. That is F. Okay. Next to F, right? 9. Next to F, right? 9. Okay. The last one, stag.
Do.
What is? Very good. It is doe. Okay. That is
Do.
10. Next to B, right? 10. Next to
Excuse
B,
me,
right?
ma'am.
10. Yes.
Ma'am, I can't see, ma'am.
You're not able to see. Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now just check your answers. Next to A, you should have written the number 7. Okay. Next to B, you should have written the number 10. Next to C, you should have written the number 6. D, 8. E, 1. F, 9. G, 4. 7. I'm sorry. H, 2. I, 5. And J, 3. Okay. So it will be king and queen. Tiger, tigress. Nephew, niece. Wizard, witch. Drake, duck. Gander, goose. Bull, cow. Bridegroom, bride. Horse, mare. And stag, doe. Okay, you should have finished this. Now we'll move on to the next one, B. Shall I erase the board? Everyone has completed this main?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, the ones who are writing, write quickly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now next main. Next main. Some nouns of the common gender and neuter gender are given below. Rakshit, please do not unmute. I think there's too much of disturbance by your side. Okay, do not unmute. Okay, are given below, but the letters are all jumbled. Unscramble them and write them in the correct columns given below. Okay, now first one, TRCDOO. What word is that? When you unscramble, what word will you get?
Doctor, ma'am.
Doctor. Very good. Now doctor, will the doctor come under common gender or neuter gender?
Common gender.
Very good. Doctor will come under common gender. Okay, this is common gender, and here you have neuter gender. So under common gender, write down doctor. 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 Write down DOCTOR.
ஒரே சைஸ்ல இருக்கு
Okay, DOCTOR. Doctor. All of you have written? Yes. Now second one, RGSAS. When you rearrange the letters, what word will you get?
Grass.
Grass. Very good. Now grass will come under Grass will come
Common.
under
Neutral, ma'am.
neuter gender. It will come under neuter gender, okay, because these are all inanimate objects. Okay, so this will come under neuter gender. Write down GRASS, grass. GRASS, grass. GRASS, grass. Okay, next one, third one, WELYRA. If you rearrange what? Sorry, ma? Lawyer. Very good, Jivika. So lawyer will come under common gender or neuter gender?
Common gender.
Very good. It will come under common gender. Write down
Common gender.
LAWYER. Lawyer. Lawyer will come under common gender because it can be either a male or a female lawyer. Okay, so this will come under common gender. Write down. Tasmia, are you writing? Okay, lawyer will come under common gender. LAWYER. Okay. Next one.
No,
Okay, fine. Okay, now next one. OPSNO. What would, when you rearrange, what word will you get? Spoon. Very good. Very good. The spoon. The word is spoon. Spoon will come under common or under neuter? Neuter. Very good. Under this, write down SPOON. 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 Yes, Tasmia?
I don't grammar book, ma'am.
You should buy it from the school, Tasmia. You should go to the school and buy, okay?
KITE.
Okay, now next one. IEKT. If you rearrange, it's not kit. Kite. Very good. Kite will come under common or neuter? Yes. It will come under neuter. Very good. Write down KITE. Kite. Under the neuter, under neuter gender, write down kite. 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 Okay. Next one, TDNESUT.
Student, ma'am.
Very good. Student. Very good. Now, student will come under common or under neuter?
Student.
Common. Very good. Very good. Student can mean either a boy or a girl. So, it will come under common gender. Write down STUDENT. 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 Okay, you have to write this under common gender. Okay. Now next one, PMAL. What word can it? No.
Lamp.
Very good. Lamp. Very good. Lamp is a word. Will lamp come under neuter or common?
Neuter gender.
Neuter. Very good. Write down under neuter. Write down LAMP.
Lamp.
Yes, lamp. Okay. Write down under neuter gender. LAMP. Okay. Next one. ISONTLEVEI. What word will you get?
Television.
Very good. Television. Will television come under common or neuter gender?
Common
Gender.
It will come under neuter gender, not common. Okay, it does not come under common. It is an inanimate object, which means it will come under neuter gender. Okay, under neuter gender, write down television. 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 Okay. Now next one you have EHCTARE.
Teacher.
Very good, teacher. Now teacher, will it come under common or under neuter? Common. Very good. Very good. A teacher can be either a male or a female. Okay, so write down teacher under common gender. TEACHER. Okay, teacher. 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 Okay, now the last one you have UISCON.
Useless.
Useless.
No, Kritanya, it's not useless. You do not have E there. You do not have an L. Okay. Anyone else? UISCON. If you rearrange, you will get it. Something. Cousin. Yes, very good. It is cousin. Does cousin come under common gender or neuter gender?
Neuter gender.
Common gender. It will come under common gender. Okay, because it can be either your cousin brother or your cousin sister. Okay, so there you can still classify under either male or a female. So it will come under common gender. So write down COUSIN, cousin. COUSIN, cousin. Okay, all of you have completed? Yes. Did you understand what we did today? Under gender? Yes. Okay. So you have masculine gender, feminine gender, then you have common gender and neuter gender. Okay. Masculine and feminine, you know that this particular noun will come under only masculine or the noun will come only under feminine. Under common gender, it is related to either male or a female, but it has a common name like a doctor, lawyer, student, teacher, or cousin, and many more. Okay, and neuter gender, these are generally which are inanimate objects, or basically most of the time it would be your non-living objects. Okay, did you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Does anyone have any? Yes. Do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.